Sawadee. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel YouTube. Today I want to show you how you use the low kick. You know the Tony Jai, he used the powerful low kick. Today I want to show you how you can learn or how you can use the Tony Jai low kick. And I want to show you some secret to can use this Tony Jai low kick. Now, and it has some secret to know about this technique, how to use the low kick and Tony Jai. You know the Tony Jai is a actor or we should movie theater. They are play some movie and movies, and you know the Tony Jai is also a Muay Thai player, and we want to show you today the Tony Jai low kick. He used the Tony Jai very powerful, and when he hits the low kick, the opponent will be go back because it has more powerful. He didn't use without power. He didn't hit without power low kick. Just he used powerful with waist. He used with waist and also with full power hit the low kick. See, now I want to work with an opponent, with my partner, show you how you use your low kick or your Tony Jai low kick. See, like this. At first, we should use like this. One, jump forward to near your opponent. The second, you should hit your low kick like this. One, and here. You should hit your opponent, will go back or push your opponent. Hit powerful, not hit easily or not simple. You should use powerful hit, your opponent go back like this. Now see, I want to show you how you use or how you learn the low kick. At first, you should start like this. You should not hit like this. First, you should jump. One, jump. The second, you should hit powerful twist. You should turn your wrist. Hit with shin. Hit with shin. Don't worry, you hit here, or you can hit here, your opponent. It's no problem. Just you use powerful your low kick. This is important, how you use your power. This is important. And now I want to show you the technique is this. Not use like this. It's not powerful like this. You should hit like this. If you want to hit powerful low kick, you should at first you should jump. The second you should hit your low kick like this. Yes. Like this. You should jump at first, jump forward. The second you should hit your low kick. And it's more powerful to use this. See, now I want to show you the video how the Tony Jai use this technique, and this is very powerful, not very easy. He used the technique low kick. He used very powerful. See, this is a video. And now I want to work with opponent. This is the secret. If you hit like this without jump, it's not powerful. It's so simple. Low kick, it's not powerful. Just you hit your opponent like this. Just you hit your opponent. It's not powerful. Don't use this. If you want a powerful low kick, you hit like this. Jump like this. Jump, low kick. Jump, low kick. This is very easy, and it has more powerful to use this technique. Thank you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice time. Bye.